America's war fighters are taking on a new mission, the stock market. A new Wall Street Journal report reveals an explosion of stock picking, crypto trading, wealth building inside the U.S. military. Who loves this?
Love it.
I absolutely love it. And these people can't get paid enough, in my opinion. So hopefully they're investing, not gambling, and they're building wealth while they're protecting all of us.
I also love this because some of the attack on Wall Street for so long has been that investing in the markets is only for a protected, selected class, and it has become so much more ubiquitous now. You can't say that, you know, when this whole attack on the rich, many people are getting rich. Many people are doing wise things with their investments, and they've got access to it now. So you can't just say, oh, it's only a certain group of people that can do that. I love that expansiveness.
And there's a good learning lesson. There was one person in this story who lost $10,000 on a bad bet, and then he just put it in an index fund. So while that bad bet feels painful in the moment, no one wants to lose their shirt over a bad bet. If you then learn what works for you, if I'm then figure out, okay, I'm more risk averse, I'm not doing that again, you go into an index fund, I think it's a good learning lesson.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's an interesting environment for investment. You know, a lot of guys, young guys with, you know, they're very busy at times and they've got a ton of downtime otherwise. And, you know, they're sort of comparing, like, what are you putting money into? What are you buying? It feels like a barbershop a little bit in terms of, like, you're buying crypto. I want crypto. You've got Dogecoin. I want Dogecoin. But I say as long as you can enjoy the success, and if you're willing to live with your own bad bets, then go to town. But, you know, some of these guys made a lot, and some of these guys, like, lost their shirts on this. But that's, you know, young dudes taking risks. That's what happens.
I love this. Impromptu investment seminars in chow halls. Can't you see Taylor, like, going into a chow hall like, America? Like,
Yeah, but
giving a seminar?
She'd say time in the market, and they'd be like, boo!
They would. They
Want to
would
make
boom me out.
10,000 today. What do I do?
So, just quickly, you know Rob Riggle, the actor? Do you know who I'm talking about?
No.
He was, Steve Ducey did an interview with him recently. He's a well-known actor. He was in The Hangover. He played one of the cops where Zach Galifianakis gets hammered with the taser. Hilarious. Rob Riggle is a veteran, and there's a video online where Rob is playing. It was before it was revealed, you know, who was behind the killing of Osama bin Laden, and he plays this guy who they're like, thank you so much for killing bin Laden, but you can't tell anybody. And then it cuts to he shows up in a bar and he's like, I shot bin Laden. And you have to watch it. And a friend of mine who is a retired Navy SEAL says, that is the most Navy SEAL video ever. And it's just that kind of energy. I could see it in the markets.